Hello guys, here's Alan from Ether. Allow me to introduce Unimetro, a name synonymous with precision and excellence. Founded in 2008, we have evolved into a leading manufacturer and image measurement systems and coordinate measurement systems, serving as a professional provider of dimension measurement solutions.
Our brand positioning places us firmly in the mid to high-end segment, with an unwavering focus on quality and service, delivering exceptional cost performance. At Unimetro, we aspire to stand shoulder to shoulder with the world's measurement industry leaders, striving to build a centuries-old brand and a century-old enterprise. Our dedication extends to serving high-precision enterprises around the globe. Service is at the heart of our enterprise. We provide comprehensive services, including installation, training, maintenance, and after-sales support. Our international service team and standardized service system ensure customer satisfaction. Our hardware undergoes continuous refinement through weekly R&D meetings, enhancing stability, efficiency, and ease of application. We invest significantly in technology research and development, boosting dedicated software and hardware development teams.
Control is our hallmark. Our commitment to quality begins with meticulous material inspections before production, ensuring process control during manufacturing, rigorous reliability testing, and process calibration before shipment.
Our belief is grounded in a long-term philosophy, a commitment to fruit technological exploration, heartfelt service, and a relentless pursuit of improvement. In software, we aim at tailoring specialized modules to meet the unique needs of various sub-industries, simplifying measurement software applications, and addressing the industry talent shortage. In the realm of marketing, we have established a global agent dealer service network with service centers in over 20 countries. We offer unwavering support to our agents, safeguarding their markets and rights. At Unimetro, we open our arms to powerful partners worldwide who share our passion for the measurement industry. We invite you to join us in our mission to deliver precision and innovation to the world. Thank you for your attention.